Hello, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Daniel Hevlendordesigns. Are you interested in learning graphic design? You are in the right channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download and use mockups for your design presentation with Photoshop. Mockups are incredible useful tool when it comes to presenting design ideas to your clients or stakeholders. They allow you to showcase your design concept in realistic way, giving your audience the clear idea of what your product will look like. You can see from the panel calling this a realistic view of what this mockup is like. We have some panel calling. You can have this another example. You can have them see billboards on flyers, what have you. You can get these mockups from Free Pix or Mockup World. So for today's design, we're going to be using the Free Pix. When you get online, enter freepix.com and you'll take you to this site. So as you can see, this is the home page of freepix.com. If you scroll down, you can find different mockups. So for today's tutorial, we are going to be looking for our phone mockup. So we type on the search bar phone mockups, and here we are different shades of mockups and sizes. There are some that are premium, there are the ones that are free, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be using a free one. So let's look for, okay, here is it. This is the particular one we use for this mockup. You click on download, scroll down, like I said, this is a free version, so you download that. So while it is downloading, just click on download. While it is downloading, let's wait for it. While it is downloading, I actually did this tutorial to answer a question from someone on social media who wanted to know how I placed the concept of panel calling in the phone mockup to give that realistic view that panel is calling you. So you can see that in that beautiful design, the concept, the idea, thanks to my social media team head who brought up the idea for us to work on that project. And I thought of no better way than to put this in a mockup, in a phone mockup, just to show that realistic view of the mockup. Okay, our file is almost done. Perfect. Okay, so this actually opened the direct folder. Just we can go to the download folder. Here is the download folder where this file has been downloaded to. So it comes in a raw file, so you can unzip. It's a zip folder, a zip file. So you can right click on it and unzip it. You right click, select more, we go to extract all to the mockup folders. Okay, yeah, so all have been extracted. So this is the file, this is the PSD file. So you double click to open it. It will load into your Photoshop. As it loads into your Photoshop, voila, so this is the mockup. This is what it looks like. So what do we have to do now? We have to insert our own design into this mockup. Mind you, I've done this design already in CorelDRAW. I've designed a typical a prototype of what the phone, when you're making a call, what it looks like. So I'm just going to look for which of the objects are we supposed to replace. In some of the mockups, you can find place your flyer here, or you look out for the smart object. So this one is a smart object. So here you can find on this small icon here, you double click on it. Okay, so it has opened. So this is where we can replace the graphics. Like I said, this I have done already in CorelDRAW. This is actually the completed work. I'm actually doing this, like I said earlier, to answer a question that someone asked me, how did I place this design? So you export your design either into PNG or a JPEG format. Then right here in Photoshop, this is the layer. You can either delete that layer or you turn it off. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, just turn it off. Then you locate the folder where your JPEG that have been exported is. Okay, so this is I have quite a lot of file. Okay, let me get to it. Yes, this is it. So this is where I exported my graphics of the phone template. Okay, so I can drag this image, just minimize, drag the image straight into your Photoshop. Fine and good. So this is it. It's already in size, that's why it just fell into place. So you can either use your control plus S to save the file, or you close that particular tab. While you close it, it will prompt you to ask if you want to save. You say yes, we want to save. All right, so this is the mockup. So how beautiful it looks. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, so now for the purpose of this tutorial, I actually want just the mockup because I have a graphics where I want to put it already. On the background, you can actually manipulate these backgrounds, take them off, you can change the color. So for the sake of this tutorial, I would turn off these layers, but let me still show you how I can change the color, assuming I want to use the background from here in Photoshop. So you can see the designer had already created the background here. Okay, but this is not editable, so I just create a solid background. So you can see I can change the color, pick any color of your choice from this view. You can pick any color of your choice, be it white. So that's it. So easy. All right, so because I don't want to use this color here, I'll just delete this layer and turn off this other background layer. I need it to be transparent. So you click on save as, then you save, choose the file type. We're going to be using PNG. PNG helps you to save file format in the image. The background will be transparent to save without a background. So that's a saved. Choose a location, click on save. All right, so now you can import this mockup into your design. You can see like I have one here already. Okay, I'll just extract it to fulfill all righteousness, so you can just see how the other one looks. So just click on import, locate the file where you saved that. We have it on the download. So let's go to the download folder. That's where we have it, the download folder. Yeah, that's the mockup folder. This is our mockup. Okay, this is it. Click and download, paste, click and drag to paste that. So you can see, just increase and position it the way it looks better on your design. So you can see this design is already done, and you can see the options I have here is the same mockup. That's the same mockup that is used in making the thumbnail for our tutorial. You can see how beautifully laid out it is, and this is it. You can change to show you that I can actually change the color to any color of my choice. All right, so this is it.